Hello, in this video, we have made a list for you the most preferred, child-friendly restaurants on the European side of Istanbul by families. For this reason, the content we have prepared consists of places that allow children to have fun with their expert play sisters or older brothers while the parents enjoy their meal. These places we chose include the most preferred restaurants by parents in Istanbul with both their tastes and children's playgrounds. Of course, if there are other good places you know, you can suggest them in the comments. Casabias Aquarium, Florya. Located next to Istanbul Aquarium, the largest aquarium in Europe, and one of the pioneers of Antep cuisine, Casabias Aquarium, unlike other Casabias branches, offers the opportunity to have breakfast at the bottom of a giant aquarium while watching interesting fish. Casabias Florya, which also offers a magnificent sea view on its terrace, stands out among breakfast places. Everything has been thought of so that children can have a pleasant time in the children's playgrounds of Casabias Florya, accompanied by educated older sisters. They have fun with musical educational books for children aged 1 to 5, creative hobby instruments for children aged 5 to 8, game tunnels, smart tablets with special security measures and educational content that do not contain prohibited sites. Cizili, Florya. Offering a sumptuous breakfast in a lush garden with a sea view, Cizili stands out among both kebab restaurants and breakfast venues in Florya. The interior, which is also very comfortable, is also suitable for families with children. Because there are two separate playgrounds in Cizili Florya, both indoors and in the garden. Cizili, which is among the best non-alcoholic steakhouses in Istanbul, has children's playgrounds for you to eat comfortably. This place, which allows children to have fun in the company of a caregiver, also offers you pleasure with its garden. In addition, this place, which ensures that the guests who come with every taste leave satisfied, also offers a special menu for children. Develi 1912, Florya. The place, which attracts the taste of food lovers with its keen kebab, also takes a place in the memories with its local flavors unique to Antep. This restaurant, which attracts great attention in its Florya branch with its indoor and outdoor areas, ensures that parents are comfortable with its spacious children's playroom and a special dining room for children. Zia Sark Sofrası, Bakırköy. Zia Sark Sofrası, which offers both the culture and the flavors of Şanlıurfa, allows you to eat with pleasure. Whether it's a business meeting or a private dinner, it offers a dining experience where you won't realize that your child is with you. This place, where the expert play sisters allow your child to have fun with fun activities until the meal is over, is among the places preferred by groups with especially large children. Rapala Fish, Bakırköy. You can have a seafood-based dinner at Rapala Fish accompanied by a magnificent sea view, in the restaurant with alcohol service. There is a children's wash basin and nursing room, a meeting room, and a children's play area. Memnun Bursa Iskender, Avcılar. Restaurant, cafe, patisserie, hookah, and even birthday organizations in this beautiful place. There is a playground where your children can have fun while eating. Evel Steakhouse, Beşiktaş. Your children have a great time in the playground while dining at this place, which offers Turkish cuisine and carefully prepared delicacies. Turkish Steakhouse, vegetarian friendly. This place offers breakfast, dinner, lunch, brunch services. Develi, Beşiktaş. Develi 1912, which offers flavors from Anatolian cuisine, is among the first places that come to mind when kebab is mentioned. This place, which is appreciated by the taste lovers with its keen kebab, also takes a place in the memories with the local delicacies unique to Antep. This restaurant, which attracts great attention with its indoor and outdoor areas, ensures that parents are comfortable with its spacious children's playroom and a special dining room for children. Casabias Vad Istanbul, Sarıyer. There is a special area with a VIP hall for 50 people and a hall for 120 people. The two-story children's playground is surrounded by windows and offers the opportunity to see your children, while offering privileges where you can enjoy eating comfortably. Train play sisters every day of the week, and clowns on Saturdays and Sundays. Said Iskender, Sarıyer. Our businesses, which have half a century of experience and knowledge within the scope of restaurant services, have managed to become a brand in the sector with the best quality and best service understanding they offer to their customers. Sait Effendi, Kebapsi Sait, Sait Et Lokantasi, Sait Bey, Sait Donor, Sait Lamakan have registered trademarks. Oba Restaurant, Sarıyer. Everything is available from breakfast, lunch, dinner, brunch to night entertainment. The open buffet breakfast is quite sufficient, the products are fresh and delicious, and the employees are very interested. However, at 9:30 on the weekend, the tables with a view start to fill up. Fascio Fish, Sarıyer. The place on the coastal road by the Bosphorus. The employees are really friendly and interested. The place is really hygienic in terms of hygiene and the appetizers are quite delicious and I definitely recommend it. Kasabiya's Bosphorus, Sarıyer. While you can enjoy a taste of meat with your family in the main hall at the entrance, you can feel the breeze of the Bosphorus on your skin in the hall on the second floor with an indoor and outdoor area for 100 people. You can enjoy the summer evenings at the top floor terrace with a magnificent view of the Bosphorus. Goes Sarıyer Terrace. Goes Sarıyer, which has one of the most beautiful views of Sarıyer Center, always continues its patisserie, restaurant and breakfast services with a young and dynamic team. Goes Terrace is one of Sarıyer's most assertive areas as a breakfast and dining venue on the seafront for special events, birthdays and special celebrations. Seraf Restaurant, Bağcılar. Seraf, serving in Bağcılar, attracting attention with its magnificent structure and stylish decoration. The restaurant is one of the strongest representatives of Anatolian cuisine, and the place with the children's playroom on the top floor is also ideal for families with children. Durumku Sadat Usta, Eyüpsultan. The taste of the meat, and especially the lavash they use for wraps is great, and the fact that the place has a parking lot provides convenience for the customer in that area. There is also a children's playground with a very large area, although it is a wrap shop. Remsi Meat Mongol Kebab, Eyüpsultan. Remsi Et Mongol started its operations as a family business in 2008. In this quiet and two-story restaurant, classic grilled meat varieties are cooked on the grills on the tables. It is one of the places that families with children should prefer to eat. Et Keef Grill House, Bayrampaşa. Especially Akabat meatballs and lamb products are very good. It is a complete family place, and you can even take your guests. It is in the concept of self-catering and there is a children's playground and an attendant on the ground floor. Sigar Allah Başelievler. You sit at the table where Mr. Ibrahim is responsible because he is very respectful and customer care is better than the food. I think it is definitely a place to go for liver, and you should also try Sigkoft. Hasay Bozen Avcılar, Başelievler. Hasay Bozen Avcılar Kebap restaurant located on Insirli 5 Airport also has Marmara Hall, Hayran Hall, VIP Hall, Summer Pine Garden, Children's Playground, Masjid, private parking lot, where 750 people can dine in winter and 1,000 people in summer at the same time. It serves its customers with the food section where products are also sold. Fevsi Hoka Meatballs Fish, Sultangazi. Fevsi Haja is the first name that comes to mind when fish is mentioned in Istanbul. Fevsi Imit, who is addressed as Haja, because he is a teacher, opened his new place in Sultangazi. Fevsi Haja from Trabzon first started with a small fish restaurant with 13 tables in his hometown of Trabzon/Salakak and succeeded in opening a restaurant for 500 people. Let's see Sark, Başakşehir. A very successful place in terms of barbecue products and doner kebabs. When a quality service is added to the meals, the dinner becomes much more delicious. The design of the place has been carefully made and it is a great place where your children can have fun with Ayun's sister. Safi Doner, Başakşehir. Konya cuisine properly in Istanbul, okra soup shows itself with its smell from the very beginning. Chicken broth soup is also among the must-taste, both visually and with its taste. Almond rice doner and tandoori bread made in-house add a different pleasure. It is one of the places that families with children should prefer to eat. Farika Doner, Başakşehir. That does not have parking problems, has sufficient usable space, and its staff is fully interested in customers. The meat doner that came was really delicious and the taste of the handmade buttermilk was on point. You should definitely visit for the real doner taste. Sarayli Doner, Başakşehir. It is a clean, big, beautiful place. The prices are reasonable. The service is fast. The valet service is available. The wash basins are clean. The open and closed terrace area is available. Masın Usta, Küçükçekmece. It is a large restaurant serving kebab, künefe and other popular delicacies in a relaxed atmosphere. It is a very decent kebab place in Halkali that you can go to as a family. Their meats are very tasty and their prices are suitable for similar establishments of this quality. The employees are very polite and smiling. Beşiktaş Co., Esenyurt. Modern, family-friendly restaurant with outdoor seating, especially for the kids area, we recommend you try it. Ezen Garden Restaurant, Esenyurt. Your service and smiling face combine, you can relax in the best way for both children and adults. You can drink good food and coffee. You can visit a nice cafe environment where you can enjoy hookah or oki. Zayn Meat Steakhouse Kebab, Beylikdüzü. In addition to being a place that attaches importance to quality and design, it has sweet language, friendliness, and relevant staff. It is one of the places that families with children should prefer to eat. Garden Live Concept, Çatalça. Many places in the vicinity, it is a great place where the family, especially the children, can have a good time, and the prices are not so exaggerated. If you go to other places here, you pay the average in-kind fees. Yes, friends. We have come to the end of a video. Please do not forget to write it in the comments section if there is a restaurant with a playground that you want to add. Also, if you want to thank us, you can support us by subscribing to our channel.